If you want to create your own custom vibration on iPhone and use it, then let us see how to do it. For that one, go to settings here, scroll down and go to this option sounds and haptics. You can either select ringtone or text tone, anything. And then on the top, let's go to haptics. Now under custom, select create new vibration, and then you have to create your own vibration. You can tap and hold for creating vibration, or you can just tap and lift your finger in order to create vibration like this. Let me tap and hold. Now once it is finished, select save, and you can give a name to the vibration. Let me give trial and then save. Now you can see there is new kind of vibration trial, and this vibration you can set it for either ringtone or text tone, anything. For ringtone, let me go to ringtone and let me go to haptics and then select trial. Or if I want for text tone, I will go back and go to text tone, go to haptics and then select trial. So in this way you can create your own custom vibration and use on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.